It's a battle fought against erosion, against wear, against corrosion, and above all, it's a battle against lost production time caused through plant breakdown. Take the steel industry, for instance. It would be difficult to find an industry with problems as severe as these. In fact, it's been described as a commanding height of the economy, and as far as the battle is concerned, it really is a commanding height. If you can solve their problems of wear, corrosion and erosion, you can solve most of the others. Table and conveyor rolls are built up with chromium steel, sometimes with deposits up to 2 inches thick. So too are the journals of cogging and backup rolls. Hydraulic rams, pump shafts, tuyers, skew backs, guide rails and rollers, crane wheels. No longer just problems, but problems with solutions, provided by metallization service, first in the field with sprayed coatings and still leading. Wear is by no means confined to one particular industry. It affects anybody using machinery or moving parts of any kind. It isn't just big items either. Very often a small part of the machine can create havoc if it breaks down. Fortunately, if they reach us in time, many worn components like these can be reclaimed. Tough problems demand tough coatings, and electric arc spraying provides the perfect answer. Hard-wearing, highly adherent deposits of a wide variety of materials can be applied at rates up to £70 an hour, enabling worn items to be put back in service in a fraction of the time needed to make a new one, as a bonus usually at a fraction of the cost. As against the generator type in general use, the latest design of arc units uses a transformer rectifier, in this case of the silicon diode type. The great advantage here is the higher deposition rates available, and speeds up to 100 weight of steel an hour are envisaged. After the repair, because of careful attention to the choice of material, the components have superior surface properties. Metallization service is nationwide with a number of well-equipped service centres near you to help you when you need them at any time. The largest of these, and centrally placed, is at Bredbury near Manchester. In many cases the coatings are machined or ground to size after spraying, and machines are available at all the works for this purpose. Our capacity includes machining up to 50-inch diameter by 26 feet between centres, and spraying up to 6 feet 4 inches diameter by 35 feet between centres. It isn't all big stuff. Smaller items can be handled just as well. Fine work demands fine limits, and we have just the men and the machines for that. Despite our large capacity, we cannot handle every item in our own works, either because it's too heavy or too big to transport, or just plain immovable. No problem, we just pack up our gear and move to wherever the job is. I've gone, we'll travel. In no time at all, the same job is being carried out with the same careful attention as if it were in our own works. Except, of course, that it's anything up to 200 miles from where we normally do it. In this case, by sight spraying, a steel mill roll is soon back in service. And so the battle continues. It always will. It's never ending. But whether it's to help with the casualties or protect them before the fight begins, metallization service is always in the front line.